15 ఆగస్టు వేడుకలకు దేశం ముస్తాబైంది. 80వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలకు ఘనంగా నిర్వహించేందుకు ఏర్పాట్లు పూర్తయ్యాయి. దేశ రాజధాని ఢిల్లీలోని ఎర్రకోటతో పాటు పార్లమెంట్ భవనం మువ్వన్నెల వెలుగుల్లో మురిసిపోతున్నాయి. స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకల నేపథ్యంలో ఢిల్లీలో హై అలర్ట్ ప్రకటించారు. ఉగ్రవాద ముప్పు పొంచి ఉందన్న నిఘా వర్గాల హెచ్చరికలతో భద్రతా బలగాలు అప్రమత్తమయ్యాయి. అనుమానాస్పద కదలికలపై నిఘా పెట్టడంతో పాటు కీలక ప్రాంతాల్లో భద్రతను కట్టుదిట్టం చేశారు.
It is in the embers of sacrifice the flame of freedom finds its light. We haven't forgotten what all our people had to go through to earn this freedom, and hence the flame, the fervor of nationalism burns in our hearts and souls as strong as ever. The paying of solemn homage to the Mahatma is not just a ceremony, it is tradition, culture, and values in their most sacred form. This act of showing earnest reverence is a culmination of age-old knowledge along with a deep understanding of gratitude in one's personal life. The Honorable Prime Minister paying homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, symbolizes a transition of eras and yet the endurance of the ethos of being a humble soul, the prime representative of 1 billion plus souls paying obeisance on behalf of all of us, showing what we all feel towards the Mahatma.
As Prime Minister walks around Bapu's Samadhi, it is more than a gesture of remembrance. The Prime Minister, on behalf of the entire nation, took a pledge to walk the path Bapu showed us, to uphold the truth Bapu lived by, to carry forward the peace Bapu believed in, and to build the India he dreamt of. For the journey may be long, the road may be challenging, and the world may test our resolve, but Mahatma Gandhi's message continues to guide us. Walk with truth, walk with courage.
शांति के मसीहा राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी की समाधि पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र की ओर से पुष्पांजलि दी और श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित किए। ऐतिहासिक लाल किले की प्राचीर के ठीक सामने नेशनल फ्लैग गार्ड के जवान अपनी जगह पर मौजूद हैं। नेशनल फ्लैग गार्ड की संयुक्त टुकड़ी है जिसमें थल सेना, नौसेना, वायुसेना और दिल्ली पुलिस के एक अधिकारी और 32 अन्य रैंक के कर्मी शामिल हैं। प्रधानमंत्री महोदय के राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराए जाने के बाद नेशनल फ्लैग गार्ड की संयुक्त टुकड़ी द्वारा तिरंगे को राष्ट्रीय सलामी दी जाएगी। मेजर लोकेंद्र सिंह शेखावत इस अंतर सेवा रक्षक और पुलिस रक्षक दल की कमान संभाल रहे हैं। हमारे स्पेशली माउंटेड कैमरा से ये विहंगम दृश्य लाल किला परिसर का आप तक पहुंच रहा है। ठीक सामने वंदे मातरम की प्रतिमूर्ति बनाते हुए भारत की युवा शक्ति, बाईं ओर के एनक्लोजर्स में स्पेशली इनवाइटेड गेस्ट जिन्होंने भारत सरकार की अलग अलग योजनाओं का लाभ लिया है।
And the Indian Air Force there preparing for a stupendous flypast with Mi-17 helicopters commemorating the historic Independence Day and the 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram. Preparations all done, contingents ready of the Guard of Honor as well as the National Flag Guard.
And here at the Red Fort, you can really feel the excitement building. The venue is filling up, and what a wonderful sight it is to see people from so many different parts of the country coming together for this special morning. We can see the colors of India all around us. Bright uniforms, colorful turbans, traditional attire, uniforms, and of course, the tricolour waving proudly among the crowd. There are people who have travelled from different states, from cities and villages, from different professions and different walks of life. And just look at these beaming faces. There is excitement, pride among the elders, and a wonderful sense of anticipation everywhere you look. For a few hours today, all these different journeys have brought everyone at the same place. Different languages, different traditions, different ways of life, but one feeling that brings everyone together, the feeling of being Indian, and perhaps that is what makes Independence Day so special.
The National Guard of Honor and the Guard of Honor ready at their feet, smart and stoic. Upon his arrival at the Red Fort, the Prime Minister will be received by Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh, Raksha Rajya Mantri Shri Sanjay Seth, and Defence Secretary Shri Rajesh Kumar Singh. The Defence Secretary will introduce the General Officer Commanding GOC Delhi Area, Lieutenant General Rajesh Sethi, to the Honourable Prime Minister. The GOC Delhi Area will then conduct the Prime Minister to the saluting base, where a combined inter-services and Delhi Police Guard will present general salute to Shri Narendra Modi. Thereafter, the Prime Minister will inspect the Guard of Honor. The humidity hasn't dampened the high hopes and the happiness of the event. Everyone in their seats awaiting the arrival of the Honourable Prime Minister, especially the youth power, the best in our country, who will take the torch forward, the NCC cadets, and every audience member in this vast ocean. A whole view of the arena coming to you from a specially mounted Doordarshan camera. Everyone awaiting, everyone excited, looking around as to when the Prime Minister shall arrive. The Raksha Mantri and the Raksha Rajya Mantri happily awaiting the arrival of the Prime Minister at the ramparts.
लाल किले की प्राचीर के ठीक सामने ज्ञान पथ पर जो एनसीसी कैडेट्स मौजूद हैं, जो युवा शक्ति मौजूद है, उनमें खास उत्कंठा है, क्योंकि उन्हें मालूम है कि जब प्रधानमंत्री महोदय देश को संबोधित करेंगे और उसके बाद जब उनकी वापसी हो रही होगी, तब वे उनके पास आएंगे। लेकिन यहाँ वायुसेना के जांबाज Mi-17 हेलीकॉप्टर्स में वायु विचरण के लिए पूरी तरीके से तैनात हैं, और ये वो Mi-17 हेलीकॉप्टर्स हैं जो जब प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ध्वजारोहण करेंगे उसके ठीक बाद लाल किले की प्राचीर के सामने लाल किला परिसर को पुष्प वर्षा से आच्छादित करते हुए नजर आएंगे। मौसम चाहे कैसा भी हो, परिस्थितियां अनुकूल हों या प्रतिकूल हों, लेकिन देश के स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह में भाग लेने वाले प्रतिभागियों का उत्साह, उनका जज्बा देखते ही बनता है। हर आम और ख़ास व्यक्ति आज के इस राष्ट्रीय उत्सव के समारोह में जुड़कर खुद को बेहद खुश, प्रसन्न और भाग्यशाली महसूस करता हुआ नजर आता है।
And this is truly a moment for these children, these cadets who are here at the Independence Day celebrations. Imagine being from varied parts of the country and then coming together in unison, getting prepared, getting ready, reaching here early in the morning and then excitedly waiting for the Honorable Prime Minister and his inspiring words. And there's the cavalcade of the Honorable Prime Minister now swiftly moving towards the ramparts of the Red Fort.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का काफिला लाल किले की प्राचीर पर पहुंच रहा है। सधी हुई रफ्तार से अग्रसर ये काफिला, ब्यूगलर्स का बिगुल घोष इस बात का परिचय देता हुआ कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय देश के सर्वोच्च नेतृत्व का आगमन हो रहा है। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के प्रमुख का आगमन हो रहा है लाल किला परिसर में। लाल किला परिसर में पहुंचने पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का स्वागत विधिवत रूप से रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह और रक्षा राज्य मंत्री श्री संजय सेठ द्वारा किया जाएगा। रक्षा सचिव श्री राजेश कुमार सिंह भी वहां पर उपस्थित हैं, जो प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का परिचय जीओसी दिल्ली एरिया लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल राजेश सेठी से कराएंगे।
After the inspection of the Guard of Honor, the Prime Minister shall move towards